What up, y'all? It's a little unboxing chin spoiler for the Mustang. Fits 0509s. I usually get them on American Muscle, eBay. I bought them on eBay as well for hella Mustangs. Not just these body stuff, but newer ones, newer S197s. But I got this one on eBay. It was 123. I wasn't that bad on American Muscle. They were more expensive and they were out of stock. And I just wanted something cool. I didn't want to go all out. I do love an aggressive one on American Muscle. What makes an American Muscle makes that one, but too much so. This one, it's pretty identical to one on American Muscle. I forgot the name of it, but it's really identical to one they have on American Muscle, except you're gonna save half the money. So here it is right here. Nope, it doesn't come with anything. Does it come? No, it doesn't come with anything to install. Let's see. Nope, that's it. So they just send you the chin spoiler by itself. There it is, right out the box. I don't think I'm gonna paint. I usually always paint them on this one, on Mustangs, but since this one is mostly white and black, the top is black, I'm just gonna end up leaving it like this. I thought it didn't come with screws, but there was. It comes with 5 screws. I'm guessing 1, 2, and then some to hold it under. Yeah, for the price, you can't beat it. Yeah, it looks like some hard plastic. Yeah, it's like some hard plastic, but it's gonna look good. You got it on the car. Fitment, there was a little gap right there I wasn't able to close, but other than that, for the price, you can't beat it. You really can't beat it. It was 123. I'll put the link in the bio, but for price, you can't beat it, y'all. It was a little flimsy to install because they don't come with instructions. I just ended up putting like 3 screws right there, 3 right there in the bottom. What I like about this, chin spoiler in particular, is you get to use your stock bottom grill. There are other chin spoilers that I use from American Muscle. I believe it's the aggressive one. That one you got to take off the bottom grill, and well, especially if your car is black or another color, you can't really notice. But this one, since it's white and you don't have, when I took it off to install, like it looks hella ugly. But yeah, so the only part right there, I couldn't get that little gap to close. So since it's white, I put a little plastic tip right there just to fill in the gap so you can't see it from far. But me, this I saw it, you can see it. So, but yeah, it looks pretty good, y'all. For the money, you can't beat it. So yeah, that's it. And I'll put the link in bio. If you got any more content, like the video, rate, subscribe. Also, y'all can see I put the Fool's 20 back on. It's gonna be for sale soon. If anybody wants it, got 65,000 miles, got the brand speed 46 supercharger package. Interested, let me know.